So welcome back to Be The Magic Workshops. My name is Alexander Yuan and I am the Chief Trainer of Be The Magic. So at Be The Magic, we teach magic to you so that you can use it as a skill to be able to perform and present yourself in front of numerous people, because we always believe that magic is a very safe platform for you to practice your public speaking and presentational skills. So some of you might be a bit shy, use magic, practice your magic, get it really well done, and then go ahead and perform for people. Their positive reaction is going to enable you to feel more and more confident as you go along. So we do have some online classes and physical classes as well, some workshops that we're conducting every now and then. So do check us out. The website's right here and in the description below. And also, if you haven't done so, do like and subscribe to this channel and check us out on social media right here. Today I'm going to teach you a very simple trick, and actually it's a world famous trick. Now this trick you can do almost anytime, anywhere, as long as you have one of these aluminum foil. So if you're ready, let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you the world famous 3-ball trick. And of course the world famous 3-ball trick uses aluminum foil. Okay, and I'll neatly divide this into 3 parts. Watch close. This is ball number 1, ball number 2, and of course ball number 3. Watch very carefully. If I were to put one ball in my hand, the second one in my hand, and the third one in my pocket, how many would that leave in my hands? 3? No, it's just 2, alright, because there's one in my hand. So you gotta pay attention. No magic is done yet. So right now, watch even closer. One in my hand, the second one in my hand, the third one in my pocket. How many do I have? You see, this is the world famous 3-ball trick. I'll do this one more time. One in my hand, the second one in my hand, the third one in my pocket. How many do I have? 2? No, this is a world famous 3-ball trick. Okay, maybe counting is a bit difficult. So watch this ball. 1, 2, if I give it a squeeze and very tightly, I blow, watch it change into a coin right there. And this is the world famous 3-ball trick. 2 balls and a coin trick. If you've seen my performance, you realize that there's certain things that I do to give you the impression that everything is off the cuff. It is on the spot and I have no prior setup, but actually I do, because I actually have one of these balls in my pocket. So I actually have 4 of these balls and a coin. You can use any coin you want, doesn't have to be a silver dollar. Alright. Now I put one in my pocket and the coin in my pocket as well, and I'll reach over and get an aluminum foil. And the reason why I do this is because I want to set up in front of the audience to make them feel there's a sense of there's a very organic trick, that nothing was pre-prepared ahead of time and is all done right in front of you. So what you do, you have a ball in your pocket and you're going to divide this into 3 parts. And very meticulously you're going to just tear it, and you're going to make 3 balls of about the same size. So this ball number 1, ball number 2, and of course ball number 3. Alright, try to make them as similar size as possible, but do your best. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do this thing called feint. You're going to condition them to make them feel like you did something sneaky, but actually nothing was done at this point of time. So you're going to explain that this is the world famous 3-ball trick, and you're going to take one ball and really put in your hand, the second one really put in your hand, and the third one you really put inside your pocket. But this time, when it goes into your pocket, you curl your fingers around like this, so you kind of like clip the ball, and you reach inside and pick up the extra ball. So now I have 2 balls in my hand, and then I'll ask, how many balls do I have here? Now, some people, they might be a bit smart and say 3. They say, no, this is just two balls. I mean, you gotta pay attention because the third one is in my pocket. So some people, they'll say 2, and that's very good because that they see things as it is, and it's great. Then you say, yeah, that's right, it's 2 because no magic was done yet. And you say, we're gonna do this again, this time with magic. Take the first one, and this time you're gonna put both balls from your hand into the hand without them looking as if you're putting 2. So what I do, I just put it like this. I just put it like this, but I don't show it to them because my fingers are curled. So I curl my fingers. I say this is number 1. I put the second one inside. Number 2, the third one, it goes into this finger clipping thing again. It goes in my pocket. And I say, how many are there? And I bring my hand out with this thing still in my hand. And they'll say 2. Then say, no, this is a world famous 3-ball trick. And of course, there's 3. I'll do this one more time. This time do the same thing. Put 2 in the hand, both of the balls. The second one in the hand, and the third one put inside your pocket. And you say, how many are there? Now this time in your pocket, you're going to do something a bit sneaky because you're going to ditch the ball and you're going to pick up the coin. Alright, so you're going to pick up the coin from your pocket. So you're going to just pick up the coin and you're going to hold it, just clip it in your fingers like this. This is what we call the finger palm. Alright, just clip it in your fingers. Just keep it relaxed. So they'll say 2 or 3, and then you say, that's right, there's 3 balls. Then you say, this time, you're gonna take one of the balls and you're gonna do this move called the Bobo switch, and it's a very simple coin switch that is very effective. And the reason why I'm using a coin is because a coin looks a bit like a aluminum foil, it's shiny surface. So the Bobo switch essentially is this. You're gonna toss the ball into your open hand, receiving hand, and you're gonna do it 2 times, alright? Because you want to condition them that you're throwing it into your palm. Now on the third time, instead of throwing the ball, you're just going to retain it in your fingers and you're going to let the coin fall. Well, of course, if you were to do this, then it's very obvious, so don't do that. So you do 1, 2, retain and throw and close. Now this hand is going to look a bit fishy. So if you're very comfortable with the finger palm, you can just palm it. If you're not so comfortable, you just clip in your hand and you pretend to keep these 2 in your pocket, and then you ask, how many are there? Then they'll say, oh, there's just 1. Then say, 1 what? Then say, 1 ball. Then you say, no, it's actually 1 silver dollar. And that's how you end the routine with a nice surprise. So there you go. This is the trick with aluminum foil and balls. And of course, if you're good, you can change it back again. And there it is. The 3-ball trick done with 4 balls. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, go ahead and practice. Tell us how you did it, how your friends reacted to it. We are very excited to hear these things from you. So leave some comments below, like and share this video if you will. And till the next time, my name is Alexander. I'll see ya.